Hi, today I want to give you a quick guide to the NeuronUP platform so you can get the most out of it. When you log in, you'll find a dashboard with different options that will take you directly to the section you need. In this case, we're heading to the assessment section. The first thing you need to do is create a user account, since this will allow you to save results and track your patient's progress. To do this, click on Filter Patient, then New Patient, and fill in the most important details, such as name, diagnosis, and relevant information. The more information you enter, the better you'll be able to personalize the activities. Once the patient is created, you'll be able to generate results. After creating the patient, you can select them, and then we can go to the assessment section, where you'll find different tests and batteries. When you select a test, you can create your own protocol and add the tests you want to use, or start evaluating directly with it. Your results will be saved automatically. To view them, go to the top and click on View Results. There you'll see the indexes for each test and the obtained scores. For intervention, go to the Activity section. There you can filter by area of intervention. You can select the cognitive functions you want to work on and the subfunctions, or alternatively, you can select areas of occupation such as activities of daily living, basic or instrumental, and other advanced activities like leisure, work, education, or play. In this case, we'll filter for attention activities. In the section below, we can see all the activities related to this function that appear. To work with any of them, simply click and choose the phase or level where you want to start with your patient. Additionally, you have the option to work with paper activities, worksheets you can print for users who need them. Download the activity and you'll be able to print it. You can also create sessions to organize the activities. You can use one of the preset templates or create your own session by clicking on New Digital Session. Assign a name, add details, and then you'll be able to select the activities that best fit the patient's profile. By simply clicking on the activities, you can add them one by one. You can even edit the amount of time you want to spend on each activity. Once it's created, you can schedule it on the calendar for the days you want to work with that session. Set up the session by assigning it to a patient, choosing the estimated dates, configuring the session's behavior, and adding a message for your patient to read when they start it. All the results from your intervention will be saved automatically, and you can review them in digital results. There you'll find the NeuronUP Score, the rating that measures your patient's progress and lets you clearly see their development over time. The graphs adjust to the selected time interval and allow you to compare the progress between different cognitive functions that have been worked on. You'll find an automatic interpretation panel that will help you understand the scores. You can also view the results by activity, session, or program. Finally, you can generate reports with the scores both for assessment and intervention. To do this, select Patient Management, click on New Report, and choose between a standard report or a quick report generated with artificial intelligence. In this case, we'll generate a standard report. We'll name the report and can generate an anamnesis. We'll also select the content that will be included in the report. The rehabilitation results will appear according to the selected interval, and we can include recommended activities. Finally, you can generate conclusions with the help of artificial intelligence. These can be edited, so you can add, modify, or delete information as you like. This way, you'll save time creating reports and be able to organize evaluation and intervention results more efficiently. This is just a summary of everything you can do with NeuroNap. If you have any questions, we're here to help you. See you inside.